Hi, this is Artin Behdad, and in this presentation I'm gonna talk about Forex trading account withdrawal. It's very important because our goal from trading Forex market is making money, and we should know how and when we should withdraw our money. Okay? Some of traders try to withdraw all of their profit. They enjoy their money, but they can't grow their account, and they should trade the same amount of money again and again, and there would be no progress in their trading situation. Okay? And some traders don't withdraw anything. They keep all the profit in their account. In fact, I don't recommend this one, and I don't recommend this one. In this situation, people don't progress, don't improve their situation. In this situation, they increase their trading account, but they don't enjoy the money they have already made. As a trader, you should increase your trading account and you should enjoy your money, your profit. Okay? So I recommend you something between this situation and this situation. Something that help you to grow your account and enjoy your money in the same time. Okay? My recommendation is withdraw 50% of your account at the withdrawal date. Okay? 50% of your account. You can withdraw 50% and spend as you wish, as you like, and keep 50% for growing the account. Okay? So, what is this withdrawal date? This withdrawal date is depend on your trading time frame. If you are a day trader and hold position for less than a day, I mean you close your position overnight, your withdrawal date will be end of the week, each weekend. At each weekend, you can withdraw 50% of your profit. Okay? If you are a swing trader and you hold your position for a couple of days, your withdrawal date will be end of the month. At the end of the month, you can withdraw 50%. And if you are a position trader that you hold position for a couple of weeks or months, after each 3 months, you can withdraw 50%. I'll show you an example. A swing trader, his withdrawal date is end of the month, as I showed you. His profit is example, please pay attention. His profit is $2,000 and his withdrawal money is $1,000. 50% of this $2,000. Okay? He can withdraw 50%. And a day trader, her withdrawal date is weekend. Her profit in this example is $1,000 and he can withdraw $500. 50% of this $1,000. Okay? That's it. If you have any question, please write it down in the comment box.